What's up YouTube? Welcome to a new video. Today's mission, we are going and try to install this bolt-in roll cage I bought, which isn't complete yet. And I've enlisted the help of my mate slash co-driver Thomas. Hopefully it starts. It's been here for a while. Oh yeah, I also bought this thing. Oh. Come on. Let's try that again. Put some fuel in it. There it goes. So, managed to get it inside. Now, first we will need to get everything out and try and line up and mock up the roll cage. And we'll see from there. Et voila! Everything cleared out again. Now we'll try and figure out how to get a roll cage inside. Easy.
Easy though. Oh, there's nu een uit MacGyver nu.
Kadang!
Ja, ja.
Almost killed the camera. So we put the first part in. I just taped it to the ceiling for now. We have a small problem that this is a lot higher than the floor, so we'll probably have to weld something over there. But now let's try and put in the other part without knocking over the camera. So, a few things we've learned. These things, they are way up than so they're not on the floor. So I'll have to make something over there. And then also this piece is missing to connect the roll cage together, as well as this piece for the door, and this piece that connects the back of the cage, as well as to connect this to the car. It is actually connected to the rear axle, but as you can see, the hole where this has to go into isn't wide enough, so we'll have to make that bigger as well. Amazing. So, quick update. So we figured out that we will have to remove the window probably, so the cage can fit. Next up, we also put back the original wheels at the back, because these ones were well, they were touching the rear frame or the rear axle, and the spacers I have that I got from my work aren't really correct, because I only have 2 points to actually attach to the rear axle. So that's probably a no-go, and we'll have to figure something else out or try out another set later. Right now, Thomas has managed to remove the rear, or the fixing points for the rear seat belts. Ta-da! So that's where we are going to attach the 3-point harness eventually, sometime in this future. Since the original plan didn't really go to plan, we'll try and mount the other bucket seat right there. Put your fat ass in it. It's getting dark outside. Time to wrap things up. So quick recap. We tried to put the wheel spacers on the rear tires. They were not the right or not correct size or version. So we put on the original wheels back, so it's easily more easy to drive right now. Next up, we put in the roll cage, kind of, because we still need some things to level this out and to actually mount it to on a few parts. Then after that, we will need to measure the missing pieces and mount it as well. So this seat is fixed, the other seat almost, but because that's an XL, so it's a larger, a bit more wider version, it gets a bit tight here with the gearbox and also the roll cage on the other side, so we'll still need to fix that in place permanently. For now it's just there. Anything else we did? Not really. Yeah, next time we'll probably take out the sunroof, so we can actually connect these parts to the full mounting points of the roll cage to the car, and then we can measure things up a bit more easily. Okay, so I think that was it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! we are actually going to remove this sunroof. Okay, we managed to remove this.
First reaction?
It's quite loud.